What's up, guys? So I've been wanting to make it up to this waterfall. It's called Kaaterskills for a while. So I figured, why wait for people to go and take matters into your own hands and go by yourself. So I'm taking a self day to venture out, and I brought my camera with me. Hopefully get some good shots.
Ever feel like you can't breathe? Does the water feel too deep? Lie awake cause you can't sleep without it. Ever feel like you're alone when you're lost but you're already home? Lie awake cause you can't dream without it. It's gonna be alright.
I wish you all could see the fog climbing up this road.
Gonna be alright.
This fog is actually insane. Climbing up to the top of this mountain literally got worse and worse. Couldn't see anything just now at one point, and my damn ears popped. I can only think of how high I am, to be honest. But got 4 minutes to go till we're there. I'm excited to see what we got to shoot with. It's pretty foggy, so I'm really hoping that we can see the falls. Oh shit, I didn't think it'd be this cold. Should have at least brought a hat and some gloves. Probably not a pair of Vans slip-ons either, but hopefully we're almost there.
Feel like it's gonna take forever. Yeah, I swear I know what it's like to feel alone at the end of the night. Maybe you don't know it, but it gets me. It's gonna be alright. I'm never gonna leave your side. It's gonna be alright.
Alright, so I finally made it down. Got the tripod all set up over here. Got some good shots so far. I got the settings at 130 f at 5.6 ISO 100, and these clowns in my video battling out for photos. I got like a 10-second timer. Gotta get in my shot, but it's alright, I got plenty more. This guy got no shirt on, he's crazy. It's freezing out here. Gonna have to bring some different pics the next time for sure. Gonna probably try and get some video clips for cinematic purposes, and try and move spots. Honestly, this is probably a bad idea where I'm up on this big rock with this big drop. Tripod barely stable with this slippery rock, but whatever gets a shot, I guess. Just trying to take a few, and then I'm out of here. I barely feel my hands, my toes are cold. Woo. As you can hear, I'm out of breath, but the very bottom over there has some really steep stairs going back up. I'm cold, toes are freezing. Just trying to get back to the car, and I'll do a closeout for you guys. I'll see you at the car. What's up, guys? I'm back at the car. Woof! I am winded. That hike back up, the top part wasn't bad, but the very bottom, the stairs are very steep. Getting done being sick as well. But yeah, that's it for today's adventure. Got some cool photos, some cool clips, some cinematic clips I could use. The fog was actually good, actually. it held off pretty good down at the bottom, so it made it look pretty moody. And on the way down, it actually looked like I was in some sort of like horror movie. I was waiting for Jason or Michael Myers to pop out. But yeah, that's about it for today. Go home and edit all this stuff and have it up for you guys to see. So here's all the photos I got.